gets the kitty.
How about your kitty, Mom?
Yeah, it's right there on the floor.
You have to hold him exactly like this.
Oh.
Yes.
You have to let this go with us.
Okay, I'll go with you.
I just
Vienne,
hold
show her where to go.
Show me.
right over there.
Can I
Okay.
hold him like this?
Okay, walk and show me.
Okay, here we go, Vienne. Look. Can I hold him like this?
No, hold
Oh.
them like this.
Like this?
Yeah. No, like this. About that handle.
Oh, like this?
Yeah.
Oh. Come, puppies. Whoa. Look at all the space we have to walk them. It's pretty awesome with no table. Oh, they're dancing around you.
I got you.
You did. You got my puppies.